Hi everyone, it's Steve from Smart PE. In this tutorial today we're going to be looking at a smarter way to answer a short answer question on the long-term effects of exercise in the muscular system. So as normal, what I want you to do is read the question really carefully. You're then looking to highlight and fully understand any command words. So evaluate means to give an opinion by exploring the good and the bad points, and an evaluate question is going to be an assessment objective 3 question. You're then looking for any topic words, then any qualifying words that you might be linking your answer to, and finally the amount of marks available, just so you can make sure you make enough points in your answer. So a really important thing about this question, it is an evaluate question, an assessment objective 3, and it does ask you to evaluate, so give good or bad points. But in this particular question, it asks about how the long-term effects of exercise are going to be beneficial. Right, beneficial. So it's only asking for you to give your opinion on the good points of the long-term effects of exercise in the muscular system. And because 4 marks are available, you've got to basically give your opinion 4 times. So you've got to give 4 points that you are hopefully going to do on the muscular system. As it's an assessment objective 3 question, sometimes I want a little bit more detail. So for example, if this question was state or name a long-term effect of exercise on the muscular system, that'd be an assessment objective 1 question, and that might only need you to sort of say, well, one of the long-term effects of exercise on the muscular system is an increase in strength. As it's an assessment objective 3 question, you would need to say something along the lines of it being an increase in strength would be a long-term effect of exercise on a muscular system, and then you'd need to give an example. So for example, an increase in strength would allow the hockey player to be able to hit the ball harder. So that would get you 1 mark by following that up with an example. And I think this point sounds really obvious, but the amount of times you see people forget to do this, it's unbelievable. You need to make sure you link your answer to the qualifying word, in this sense, hockey. So your example must be linked to a hockey example, cannot be from any other sport or activity. So I gave you 1 example about how you could get 1 mark on this by giving an evaluative comment in order to get 1 mark. You now need to try and do this yourself by making 3 more points. Use your smart cards to help you make an evaluative point, an assessment objective 3 point, and good luck.